Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So the Nykaa annual sale is back. It's basically the Nykaa hot pink sale, and trust me, it is a time when you really want to restock your skincare products, your makeup products and your hair care products because the offers are insane. So without further ado, let's head to the video and see what all did I shop and what all would I like to recommend for you guys from this sale. Basically, I'm going to divide the video into three categories. So the first will be makeup, second will be skincare, and third will be hair products. So starting with the first product that I purchased was this. This is the Nykaa Skin Shield, the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, and my shade is Hot Honey. And I will just show you the packaging. This is how the bottle looks. It's a 30 ml product, and it is priced at rupees 7.99, and I think I got it on 20% discount, so which was a fairly good deal. I don't remember the exact amount that I paid for it because I had a very big order and I don't remember how it is, but I think it was around 20 to 30% off, so pretty good deal I would say. And this is the foundation that I'm wearing right now. It's very lightweight, not at all oily, it doesn't clog your pores, it gives you a nice natural finish, and it blends beautifully. It has a very good pigmentation, so this is definitely one of my favorite products in my personal bag. So second product that I purchased and I would highly recommend is the Correct and Conceal palette from Nykaa. It's a dupe for the MAC one. So it has pretty similar shades, and I think you must own a concealer and a corrector palette like this because it's very important, because हम सबके pigmentation या कुछ किसी तरह से uneven skin tone होता है, and it is important that before you apply foundation you must use a corrector and a concealer to sort of neutralize all the pigmentation. So rather than spending 2,500 bucks on the MAC palette, I'd rather spend like 600-700 bucks on this one, and it did a good job. So next up is this great combination of products that I ordered. I mean, these two come as a combo. This is the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter in mini size, and this one is the Too Faced Instant Lip Plumper, which is the lip injection basically. And I got a great deal for both these products. I think the two of them just costed me around 1,700 rupees, which was amazing. I did not think twice to order this because I have been dying to try both these products, and if you buy them separately they are a pretty expensive deal, but together as a combo, and then I had some additional discounts, it was just a must have. And let me tell you, these two products are bomb. I mean, I cannot recommend them enough. I won't do justice. They are just amazing to have. And guess what? I also got these two samples of the eyeshadow Insurance, which is the eyeshadow base from Too Faced, and the Hangover primer, which is again a sample size. But I think it's great that with one combination I got these two as a sample product. So it was a great deal, I guess. I also restocked some of these Nykaa mini lipsticks that I really adored. I prefer buying mini sizes because as a professional artist I have tons of product, and you know, basically what happens is the full size usually gets kind of expires after a time, and it feels bad to throw so much product. So I buy mini sizes so that there is less wastage, but you can always go ahead and buy the full size if you like. And again, these lipsticks were on a good discount. The shades that I have is Bombay, Janvi, Madras Kapi, and I Like It. So I Like It is basically a metallic shade, and it's a metallic pinkish metallic shade, if you can see here, you can see. And Bombay is my most favorite actually out of all the shades because it suits my skin tone pretty well, which is it's a nude brown shade, you can see here. And next I love is Janvi, which is a pinkish brown shade, a pinkish nude shade, again one of my most favorite shades from the Nykaa collection. And the last is Madras Kapi. And this is basically for it's a slightly darker brown nude, I would say, but it goes pretty well for, you know, dusky complexion. So yeah, these are my favorite shades that I ordered. And there's one more lip combo that I ordered which has not arrived, so I will kind of skip that. But let me tell you, that was from MAC, and I restocked my favorite Velvet Teddy and Mare, which are my very favorite lip colors from MAC. So as and when they come, I'll keep updating you. And okay, moving on to the next category, we will go to skincare. In skincare category, the first product that I ordered was this This is the Pixi Glow Tonic Toner. It's basically 5% glycolic acid, and it's an exfoliating toner. I think it works very well for oily skin people and people who have larger pores like I do. So I've heard really good reviews about this one. I have tried it before and I loved it. So I think I tried it some time back, but I sort of thought it was on a good discount, so why not order it again. So definitely it's a must have if you are somebody who likes to take care of your skin like I do. So. And in the skincare category, the next product is such a favorite product of mine. So I have like really oily skin and my skin is kind of porous as well. So what I do is I need a lot of exfoliation, and I cannot use those because I'm oily, I can't use those cream-based exfoliators that you get in the market, those normal scrubs which have a lot of creaminess to it, because it kind of clogs my pore rather than exfoliating and cleaning them out. So I found this genius some time back and I had to restock it because there was no turning back once I started using this. This is the Palmer's Coconut Sugar Facial Scrub. Trust me guys, first it smells heavenly. Second, the formula is just right. It is not oily, it is not dry, it is just right. Your skin will not feel like stretchy or too greasy. It will just feel very comfortable, and it has very fine granules so that it cleanses your pores quite nice, and it exfoliates all your dead skin and the residue that you have on your face, giving you a baby soft and a plump skin. So this is a must recommended product that I would definitely stay under the skincare category. I loved it. So I haven't ordered too much in the skincare and hair care category, but the only product that I ordered from the skincare category, from the hair care category, was a hair mask. This one is from Schwarzkopf, and this is the Bona Cure Keratin Smooth Perfect Treatment Mask. I have been eyeing on this for a very long time, and I got it at a good deal. I think 20% off I got on this, and I also got a spray-in conditioner like free with it, so I would say it's a pretty good deal. I will be linking down all these products in the description box down below, and if you have tried any products from the Nykaa sale, I would say please go ahead and let me know. I would also love to buy it, and there are a lot of other products and other brands that are on great offers and great discounts. Go ahead, check it out, and do let me know as well. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and keep sharing, keep loving, keep giving me all the love that you always do. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.